Welcome to Quiz Fun Fest. Can you ace this GK quiz? Let's go. Here's the first one. The leaves of which tree turn red in autumn? Of course, maple tree. Here's number 2. The Great Wall of China was built primarily to defend against? That's right, Mongol invaders. Here's number 3. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? It's Japan. Number 4. What is the country of Iceland popularly known for? Active volcanoes. Number 5. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Blood type O. Enjoying the quiz? Like and share with friends. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Number 6. What is the literal translation of bonsai from Japanese? It's miniature tree. Here's question number 7. What mythical beast is said to rise during the Chinese New Year and brings bad luck? Nian. Question number 8. What is a traditional afternoon tea in Britain often accompanied by? Scones and sandwiches. Number 9. Moussaka is a popular dish belonging to which cuisine? Right, it's Greek. Here's number 10. The atomic bomb was first used by the United States against Japan in which war? World War II. Here's question number 11. Which is the largest island in the world by area? Greenland. Question number 12. The Aztec Empire was a powerful civilization centered in what is now? That's right. It's Mexico. Number 13. Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? It was Charles Darwin. Number 14. In which part of the human body would you find the smallest bone? In the ear. Here's question number 15. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 marked the end of which war? The Cold War. Question number 16. Who completed the first successful circumnavigation of the globe? Ferdinand Magellan. Question number 17. Which sea separates Europe and Africa? I bet you knew it was the Mediterranean Sea. Here's question number 18. Which vitamin is essential for healthy bones and teeth? It's vitamin D. Question number 19. Which of the following carries electrical signals throughout the body? The nerves. Number 20. In the human body, which organ is responsible for filtering blood and producing urine? The kidney. Question number 21. Ice hockey is the national winter sport of which country? It's Canada. Question number 22. What is the scientific term for the voice box? The larynx. Question number 23. What is the protective layer of the eye called? The sclera. Here's number 24. Which of these can be seen in coastal areas? Of course, it's coconut palms. This is question number 25. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The cerebellum. Here's the last question. The Dead Sea, known for its high salt content, is located between which two countries? It's between Israel and Jordan. Share how many you got right in the comments. Choose your next challenge from those shown. Happy quizzing!